Welcome to STA Factory Tour. This is our MIL workshop. Here is our injection molding area. This is our laboratory. Can conduct the insertion and extraction force testing, waterproof testing, high-low temperature testing, sweat-free corrosion testing, and so on. This is our main product workshop. Assemble process while soldering. QA inspection. Here is our smart warehouse. Raw material, finished goods with designated zones. Thanks for touring with us today. Every connector and wire harness you see is made with care by our dedicated team. Have questions? Just drop them below. We'd love to hear from you.